Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and it's going to be this beautiful glowing work from home makeup tutorial. It's really easy, and I just wanted to use a bunch of Too Faced products, so I'm going to be showing you some of the latest products from Too Faced and things that I also really like in this video, so stay tuned. And at the end of the video I also have a giveaway, so if you guys want to win some Too Faced, one of my favorite makeup brands, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Alrighty, so I'm starting with absolutely no makeup at all, and I'm going in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This is a coconut-based hydrating primer that I really love to prepare my face with, and then I'm going in with the Too Faced Hangover Spray just to spritz all over. Now it's time for foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It is one of my all-time favorite foundations, and for good reason. My shade is actually in vanilla, but sometimes I switch out with almond. And I love this foundation because it really gives you such a beautiful finish. It's like a subtle radiance glow, but not too oily looking, and it's super full coverage. So I even use it for a lot of my students and clients. To set my makeup and give me a beautiful glow, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Turn Up the Light Highlighter Palette. This is an absolute game changer. It comes first with a soft focus powder, and my shade is in light, and I go in with pretty much all over my face just to give me like a soft glow effect. I really like this if you want a glow but not something that is too strong. And then afterwards you can go in with another shade, and that is the Glow shade, and it's gonna give you such a beautiful soft highlight effect on the cheeks, and you can really see that here. So I use my Bloom Kit powder brush just to buff my face, and it makes such a big difference. I mean, look at that glow, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm using the Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow Kit. Guys, I love the Sweet Peach range from Too Faced. They all smell so good, just like juicy peaches. I'm going in with the contour shade. This is a bronzer shade, and applying it just to contour my face. Now in with the most beautiful peach blush right on my cheeks, and then ending with a gorgeous peach highlight on the cheekbones. That's why I didn't use the Dazzle shade from the highlighter palette, but I just wanted to show you this beautiful peachy highlighter instead. For eyes, I'm going in with the Born This Way The Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. I've also been really liking this palette. It comes with a mixture of matte shades and really great high shine topper shades. Here's a really easy eye look that you can create from it. I'm using the Warm Rose matte shade right in my socket first, and I'm gonna make things easy and just use one brush. Then I'm going in with the matte shade called Seashell and applying that right all over my eyelid from the lash line up to the socket. Then afterwards, I'm gonna be using the darkest shade in Truffle, and I'm gonna be applying it right in the outer corner of my eye just to give my eyes some depth. Now you can stop here if you want more of a daytime look, but I'm going in with something shiny, and it is the shade in Golden Light right in the center of my eye just to give it a pop of color and some dimension. It's so beautiful. Last of all, finish off with some eyeliner, and no better than the Too Faced Better Than Sex Liquid Eyeliner Pen. For lips, I'm using the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick, and this is the shade in Suck It. It's almost like a deep fig shade, so I don't want to go too all out. I'm just going to tap it on my lips for a subtle finish. And then you guys are done. This is my glowing work from home makeup. A little extra for work from home, but you guys know that I like to be extra. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I also have a giveaway for this video. So if you want to win all these goodies, all you have to do is comment in the comments section below. Follow me at Roseanne TangRS and Too Faced at Too Faced on Instagram. Then come here and comment with what is your favorite product you saw on me. You will win the Sweet Peach Glow Kit, the Too Faced Hangover Spray, which I really love. It smells so good, and the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. Yay!
So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial and want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is tell me in the comment section below what was your favorite product on my face. And also be sure to like Too Faced as well as my Instagram page at Roseanne TangRS. And yeah, enter. I want to know your feelings and thoughts and comments. I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. So this giveaway ends on October 1st, and yeah, October 1st, and it's also only available for people residing in Singapore, unfortunately, because the spray is a liquid product. But anyways, I will have more future giveaways to give away too, so I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys later. Bye!